If you want to remove stains in Photoshop quickly and make them blend naturally into the image, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the best method for textured backgrounds and fabric using the Content-Aware Patch tool. This is perfect for things like patterned shirts, wood grain paper, or any surface where a simple brush fix would look too obvious. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to clean up stains while keeping the original texture, lighting, and shading intact. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Photoshop tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your image in Photoshop and look closely at the stain you want to remove. This method works best when the stain is sitting on a detailed or textured area, because Photoshop can sample nearby pixels and blend them much more naturally than a basic erase tool. On the left toolbar, find the Healing Brush group. If you don't see the Patch tool right away, right-click the Healing Brush group to open the full set of tools, then select the Patch tool, which is usually labeled with the shortcut J. Once you have the Patch tool selected, look up at the top options bar. This is where you need to make an important adjustment. Make sure the drop-down is set to Content Aware. This setting tells Photoshop to analyze the surrounding area and create a more realistic repair, which is exactly what we want when removing stains from fabric, textured paper, or rough surfaces. Now, go to the stain and draw a loose selection around it. You do not need a perfect shape here. In fact, a loose circle or freeform outline usually works better because it gives Photoshop enough room to blend the repair smoothly into the surrounding image. Try to include only the stained area and avoid selecting too much clean detail unless necessary. After you've made the selection, click inside it and drag the selection to a nearby clean area. The key here is to choose an area that has a similar texture, brightness, and pattern to the part you're fixing. For example, if you're removing a stain from a shirt, drag to another section of the same fabric. If it's on wood, drag to a clean grain pattern nearby. If it's on paper, choose a clean area with a similar tone. Photoshop will use that clean section as a reference and blend it back over the stain. Once you release the mouse, Photoshop will instantly apply the patch and hide the stain while matching the surrounding details. This is why the Content-Aware Patch tool is so useful for realistic cleanup work. It doesn't just cover the stain, it tries to replace it with matching texture, so the edit looks natural. If the result looks good, press Ctrl+D to deselect and remove the selection. At this point, you can zoom out and check the image overall to make sure the repair blends well with the rest of the photo. If needed, you can repeat the same process on other stains or problem spots until the image looks clean. And that's really the whole process. Right-click the Healing Brush group, choose the Patch tool, set it to Content Aware, select the stain, drag it to a clean matching area, and let Photoshop do the blending for you. It's one of the easiest ways to remove stains in Photoshop when the background has texture or pattern. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photoshop tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.